Hello out there to you. In this problem, we're going to look at a perfectly competitive firm selling in a market, and we're given some graphical information, and we need to answer some questions. So you could use this as AP microeconomics practice question. You could use this as a review for your college class, um, or just general information, I suppose. But anyway, so we've got this problem here, and we're calling this company Wascana Coffee. Okay, and what we want to recognize is that when marginal revenue is horizontal like this, that each additional unit that we sell is going to add to our total revenue by $40. So what that really means is that we're perfectly competitive. Marginal revenue is going to equal the price, and then in this case, it's going to equal $40. Okay, so we've noticed that on the graph. Monopoly graph is going to look like something different. So we want to profit maximize. Says how do we? Okay, so that's the answer to the first one. So we recognize that MR is constant and that MR is $40. Okay, that's how we know. The market price is also $40 because we've been given that. Profit maximizing output. You will see this a lot in a lot of your questions or a lot of economics classes. Profit maximizing means that we're going to produce to the quantity where our marginal revenue equals our marginal cost. Okay, there are various reasons for why that is true. You can watch other videos on that. I think I have some, other people do too. But that's what we're looking for. So just follow MR over here. Let's use this fun right here. We're just going to follow MR all the way until it hits MC, which is the marginal cost, and that's 200. So 200 is the right answer to that one. That is the profit maximizing output. Total revenue and total cost at that profit maximizing output. So graphically, you can just look at this. $40 times 200. So total revenue is going to be the area of this big rectangle here. So 40 times 200 is, I should have this in my top of my head, but I'm gonna make sure I get the right answer. So anyway, total revenue, price times quantity, 8,000. 8,000 is our total revenue. Our total cost, we're going to follow that to where it hits average total cost. So let's follow that here. Average total, so 200, follow that up to where we find average total cost, which is that curve right there. So it's $24 per unit, and we'll just multiply that by the number of units. So our total cost, $24 times 200 units, and we get 4,800. Profit or loss is the difference between those two. So, and so it's 3,200 dollars. You saw my calculator is negative because I'm just looking for the difference. So this is 3,200 more than that. So that's the answer. So they're earning a profit. The short run supply curve is the what we're really looking for is the marginal cost curve above the shutdown price. Okay, so shutdown price is, whoops, I want to get rid of all those, just these guys. So the shutdown price is the minimum of average variable cost. So I can draw that one in green here. So just look for the minimum of average variable cost right here. So $12, and then it just follows marginal cost up. Okay, so if you were, you could just say it's from point B up to point D and beyond. You could say that graphically. Is it in long run equilibrium? The answer is no, and that's because price is greater than our average total cost. Because in the long run, new firms are going to enter, and that's going to wipe out the profits earned by this firm and other firms like it. So that's what I just said. You could say that the supply will increase and the price will fall. And in the long run, the profit maximizing price is going to be where price equals average total costs minimum. Okay, so we can find that on our graph. Just look for this point right here because that's the minimum right there. So it'll be 20. So 20 will be the price, and then follow that to where it hits the quantity there. The quantity will be 150. Hopefully that was good review. That's a perfectly competitive firm, and it's a graphical analysis.